Hello, I'm Kelly Swoop with your WMAR2 News Update. We heard from the governor today for the first time since Friday. He said the last 48 hours have been the most deadly for Maryland since the pandemic started. 87 deaths. Still, though, he's cautiously optimistic that we're almost to a point where a recovery plan is needed to return us to some sense of normalcy. He said even with the deaths rising, other data is showing that social distancing measures are working, and he's putting even more into place. He signed an executive order requiring the use of face masks or coverings inside all retail stores and on public transit. That's including employees. It isn't effective until Saturday to give employers enough time to make adjustments for staff. A Future Care nursing home in Northwest Baltimore has 170 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Mayor Jack Young announced the Lockern facility has 129 cases among residents and 41 cases among staff. To combat the spread, Future Care began widespread surveillance testing at the site. Officials say many of the people who tested positive didn't show symptoms. The Baltimore City Health Department is working with several health facilities to address the outbreak. 20 Baltimore police officers and 4 civilian employees test positive for COVID-19. Right now, 27 members of the department are under quarantine. 332 employees have been quarantined due to potential exposure. 305 have been cleared to return to work. 8 members that previously tested positive have recovered and were cleared to return back to work.
Another chilly night ahead across much of central Maryland. Temperatures down in the 30s again tonight. Some patchy frost and some freeze watches in place back towards our west, where overnight lows will be closer to freezing. 34 in Frederick, 34 in Thurmont, 34 in Westminster, and 34 also there in Parkton. As we get towards tomorrow, we're back in low 50s. Gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour will make it feel like the lower 40s throughout the day, with highs barely struggling to get out of the upper 40s north and west, low to middle 50s out there on the shore. We're still in the 50s into the weekend. 59 there on Friday, some showers especially late, some showers early on Saturday, another little cool down there, and then we're back to where we should be, at least close to it, the average, by the time we get towards your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week.
All right, thanks a lot, Eric. Stick with us online at WMAR2news.com all day for updates on top stories and breaking news. And for news and weather while you're on the go, download the WMAR2 app in your app store. And that way you can check out our live radar and get breaking news sent straight to your phone. Thanks for watching. I'm Kelly Swoop.
This WMAR2 News Update is sponsored by Jones Junction.